my network is all over the world, and I don't really see much of a difference in how my connections in different countries use it, but I think we all bring our own cultural background with us. So some people are a lot more direct, some people are a lot more polite, and you bring that behavior with you. And so I think it's not so much a LinkedIn thing, but because on LinkedIn it's only words, there's no voice, there's no smile. Um, so you got to make sure your message is not taken the wrong way. So do some research into the culture of the country that you're targeting.
Yes.
Because it's really easy for me to always say, your profile photo, look directly into the camera, because when we have a conversation, we make eye contact.
Right.
Well, there's a few countries where we don't make eye contact during conversations because it's rude.
Right.
So look into the culture of the country you're trying to approach, and then find a middle ground between your natural behavior and the accepted behavior in that country, because you don't want to just act in a way that's not you.